Welcome to video 4 of the SolarEdge Nexis 3-phase commissioning guide. In this video, we'll walk you through the commissioning process for a backup system using SolarEdge Go. You'll learn how to detect the required devices, run the storage test, configure backup settings, and complete the backup commissioning process. Let's get started. We'll begin by detecting the required system devices. Next, we'll run the storage test and configure the backup settings. Let's get started. Review the installed devices to confirm that all required backup system components have been detected. Verify that the battery, SE meter, and home backup interface are listed, then tap Confirm to continue. Before continuing, confirm that all expected devices have been detected. If everything looks correct, tap Proceed to continue with the backup commissioning process. Before optimizer pairing begins, review the high voltage warning. Once pairing starts, the DC cables will carry high voltage and will no longer be in safe DC mode. When you're ready, tap Start Pairing to continue. Once optimizer pairing is complete, the system is ready to begin the storage test. Tap Start Storage Test to continue. The storage test is now in progress. SolarEdge Go is performing grid monitoring and verifying battery operation before backup commissioning can continue. You can monitor the test progress on screen while the storage test completes. Grid monitoring is now complete, and the storage test continues. SolarEdge Go verifies battery communication, protection, and system operation. Wait until the storage test is complete before continuing. The storage test has completed successfully. The SE meter is now ready for configuration. Tap Configure SE meter to continue. Configure the SE meter according to the site requirements. Verify the meter function and the remaining meter settings. When you're done, tap Continue. Verify that the SE meter status is OK and that all three phases are communicating correctly. Confirm that the voltage, current, and power readings match the expected values for the installation. When everything looks correct, tap Continue. Configure the system's energy management settings. Select the required energy control mode. Next, enable backup. Set the backup reserve according to the site requirements. When you're done, tap Set to save the configuration. If required by your local utility or grid regulations, configure export or production limits. If no limits are required, leave both options disabled and tap Continue. Review the commissioning summary to verify that the backup system has been commissioned successfully. Make sure all sections display a green checkmark, including the SE meter, SolarEdge Nexis battery, and home backup interface under Devices. When everything is verified, tap Continue. The commissioning report summarizes the installation details and system configuration. Review the information for accuracy, then tap Export Report to export or share the report. When you're done, tap Done to complete the commissioning process. Backup commissioning is now complete. Verify that the system status shows completed successfully, then tap Finish to continue. The battery will now begin its automatic calibration process. During calibration, the battery charges to 100% to ensure optimal performance. Read the notice, then tap Read and Understood to continue. You can now map the physical layout of the installation using the SiteMapper application. This step is optional and can be completed later. Tap Layer to continue to the site dashboard. You're now back at the site dashboard, where you can monitor the installation, manage devices, and access additional site features. Your SolarEdge Nexis 3-phase home backup commissioning is now complete. SolarEdge Nexis 3-phase commissioning series. You now have the knowledge to commission PV-only, storage, and backup systems using SolarEdge Go. Thank you for watching.